Good morning, student. Today we are going to discuss about personality. Personality, it is the typical patterns of thinking, feelings and behaviors which make a person unique. Every individual have their own personality. No two individuals have their unique personality. Okay, every individual has their own personality. Personality, it is the typical patterns of thinking, feelings, okay, typical patterns of thinking, feelings and behavior which make a person unique. Okay, personality, it is the typical patterns of thinking, feeling and behaviors which make a person unique. It is the things, personality, it is the things that make a person unique. Every individual has its own personality. To an ordinary person, personality means his outer appearance, his way of talking, dressing, etc. But personality is much more than this. Okay? Personality, it is a combination of physical dimension, okay, personality, it is a combination of a person's physical dimension. Physical dimensions means the appearance, size, shape, structures, height, weight, etc. Mental dimension, mental dimensions means his thought, idea, knowledge, etc. Social dimension, means the social quality of a person. Social quality means how he cooperate with the others, his attitude, his interest, adjustment, etc. And physical, mental, social, emotional dimensions like hate, anger, aggressiveness, happy, sad, etc. This is about the personality. Okay, personality, it is the typical patterns of thinking, feelings and behaviors which make a person's unique. Every individual have their own personality. Personality, it has four dimensions: physical dimensions, mental dimensions, social dimensions and emotional dimensions. Physical dimensions means related to the physical appearance, the appearance of a person's, his size, structures, weight, color of the skin, height, etc. Mental dimensions means his knowledge, thought, idea, etc. And social dimension means related to the social quality of a person, like his cooperations, adjustment, friendship, togetherness, etc. And emotional dimensions means related to emotions like hate, anger, aggressiveness, violence, sad, joyfulness, etc. Okay, this is about the personality, combinations of physical, mental, social and emotion. Various psychologists has formulated many theories regarding the personality. Okay, various psychologists has formulated many theories regarding the personality. Some theories are related to, related to according to the body structures. Some theories are based upon social dimensions. Some theories are based on emotions, etc. First, according to W.S. Selden's, okay, according to W.S. Selden's, according to W.S. William Herbert Selden's, human has three personality. Okay, W.S. Selden's, he classified the personality according to body structures into three types: endomorphic, mesomorphic and ectomorphic. Okay, W.S. Selden's has clearly classified the human personality into three types, that is endomorphic, mesomorphic and ectomorphic. First, endomorphic. Endomorphic means fatty person. Endomorphic means fatty persons. Endomorphic persons, they have lot of fat in their body. They are usually short in height. They have large round body, short neck, short height, short hips, short neck, wide hip, lot of fat in their body, etc. Okay, endomorphic means fatty persons. They are short in height, short in they are short in height, short neck, large round body, large round body, lot of fat in their body, etc. Okay, endomorphic means fatty persons. They have large round body. They are short in height, short arms, short neck, etc. Endomorphic persons are low in physical activity. They are not good in physical activity, but they have good strength. Therefore, they are good in power game like weightlifting, wrestling, sumo wrestling, etc. Endomorphic persons are friendly, talkative. Okay, introverted persons, they are friendly, talkative, social in natures, social in natures, etc. Please easily coordinate with the others, easily adjust with the others, friendly, talkative, enjoyable, fun loving, food loving, etc. This is about the endomorphic. Second is mesomorphic. Mesomorphic means healthy person. Healthy person. Okay. Mesomorphic means healthy persons. These persons are fit and healthy. Fit and healthy. Muscular body. Muscular. They have muscular body, broad chest, they have broad chest, strong leg, broad chest, strong leg, medium in height, etc. Mesomorphic persons, they are good in almost every game. Good in every game. They are almost good in every game. They are active, energetic. They are active, energetic, combative persons, adventurous activity. They love to do adventurous activities, etc. This is about the mesomorphic person. And third is ectomorphic. Ectomorphic means lean and thin person. Okay. Ectomorphic means lean and thin persons. They have narrow face, narrow shoulders, chest, narrow shoulders, chest. They have less fat in their body. They are usually endomorphic persons. They have good strength. They have less strength, but they have good endurance. Therefore, they are good athletes. They are good in marathon running, 400, 800. They are good in running activity. Endomorphic persons are socially withdrawn. Okay, endomorphic persons are socially withdrawn. Quite. Okay, they are socially withdrawn, quite. self-conscious, self-conscious, etc. This is about the endomorphic according to W.S. Selden. According to W.S. Selden. According to W.S. Selden, personality. According to W.S. Selden. So, personality means how a person thinks, his feeling, his behaviors, characteristics is make a person's unique. Means it is a combination of a person's physical dimensions. Physical dimensions means his size, structure, weight, height. Mental dimensions means knowledge, thought, idea. Social dimension means social quality, how he adjusts with the others, cooperations, adjustments, togetherness. Emotion dimensions means emotions like hate, anger, sad, happy, joyfulness, etc. So, personality it is a combination of physical, mental, social and emotion. Various psychologists has formulated many theories regarding personality. Some theories are based on body structures. Some theories are based on social dimensions, etc. Like W.S. Selden, he classified the human personality on the basis of body structures. Okay, W.S. Selden, he classified the human personality according to body structures into three types: endomorphic, mesomorphic and ectomorphic. Endomorphic means fatty persons. Mesomorphic means healthy, fit and healthy persons, and ectomorphic means lean and thin person. So, endomorphic persons, they are lot of fat in their body. They have large round body. They are short in height, short arms, short leg, wide hip, etc. Endomorphic persons, they are not good in physical activity, but they have good strength. They have power. Therefore, they are good in power game like strength, powerlifting, weightlifting, wrestling, etc. Endomorphic persons have social quality. They are social in natures. They are friendly, talkative, enjoyable. They adjust with the others, cooperative, helpful natures, fun-loving, food-loving, etc. Mesomorphic means fit and healthy persons. This type of persons have muscular body. They have wide chest. They have broad chest. Strong leg. They are medium in height. Mesomorphic persons, they are usually good in every sports. Mesomorphic persons are active, energetic, they love adventurous activity, etc. And last is ectomorphic. Ectomorphic means lean and thin persons. Ectomorphic persons, they have narrow face, narrow shoulders, chest, etc. Ectomorphic persons, they have endurance. They have good endurance. Therefore, they are good athletes. They are good in marathon running, cross country, etc. Ectomorphic persons are socially withdrawn. Okay, they are socially withdrawn. They are quiet, less talkative, less friendly, social, self-conscious. They are afraid to branch out or separate. Okay, they are socially withdrawn. They live in their own world. They are less talkative, less friendly, quiet, etc. This is about the personality. Type of personality according to W.S. Selden. Next is germ classification. Jung classification of personality. Jung classified the human personality into two types, introvert personality and extrovert personality. He classified on the basis of social dimension, on the basis of social quality. Next is Carl Jung. He classified the human personality on the basis of emotional, on the basis of social dimension. Okay, Carl Jung, he classified the human personality on the basis of social dimensions into two types, introvert personality and extrovert personality. These are the two types of personality on the basis of Carl Jung. Okay, Carl Jung, he classified a human personality into two types on the basis of social dimensions. Introvert personality. Introvert personality, this type of persons are socially withdrawn. Introvert. Introvert persons are social withdrawn. Social withdrawn, shyness, less talkative, less friendly. They have their own. They have their own internal world. Okay. Introvert personality means they are socially withdrawn. They are shyness, less friendly. They have their own world. They are unable to adjust with others. Okay, introvert personality, this type of persons have the characteristic like shyness, less talkative, less friendly. They are socially withdrawn. They have their own internal world. They are unable to adjust with the others. They are unable to adjust with the others. They are future oriented. Only think about the futures. Very sensible, rigid in nature. And next is extrovert personality. Extrovert personality, they are social in nature. They are social in nature, talkative, friendly. They are talkative, friendly. They lead. They have their own world. They interact with the others. They live in present. Live in present. They don't think about the futures. They take their decision quickly and act upon quickly. This is about the introvert. Okay. In extrovert personality, they are outgoing. They are outgoing, social in nature, friendly, talkative, easily adjust with the others. They interact with the others easily. They live in the external world. They show interest in present rather than futures. They express their feeling openly. They take their decision quickly and act upon it quickly. They do not affected easily by the difficulties. Okay, this is about the types of personality on the base of social dimensions. According to the Carl Jung classified human personality into two types: introvert and extrovert. Introvert means socially withdrawn. They only think about the future. They live in their own world. And extrovert means social in natures. They are social in nature. They live in the external world. They live in the present. They think about the present. They talkative, friendly,